Hey guys, welcome to Phone Brother, and today we bring you a dual screen smartphone from a brand called Unihertz, and this is the latest model, the Unihertz Ticktock E. And we have reviewed the last generation, the Unihertz Ticktock, and this is the newest model Ticktock E, and we can find the Ticktock in the Kickstart, and this brand, the Unihertz, they usually do some focus on some mini phones, or they do some keyboard phones. Also, they provide some special phones in the market. And this time, we will talk on their latest model, the Unihertz Ticktock E. And as we can see, this is a dual screen smartphone, and in the back, this is the back side of this phone, and we can find there's a clock plate and the second screen and sub-screen here. And when we wake up front screen, we can find another big screen. And so, and actually this is not the first dual screen in the market. Before the Unihertz, they have the Ticktock, and then the Doogees have the Doogee V20, and also the Doogee have the Doogee S98 Pro, and that's 988. These phones are all dual screens, and today this one is it's not a larger smartphone. It's just a normal phone, and we will talk on this phone from several aspects, and we will compare it to the Doogee S98, and we will check when we will test the difference between these two dual screen phones. And first, let's talk on the Unihertz Ticktock E, and as we can see, it has a unique style. This phone is not a larger smartphone. It doesn't pass the IP rate, but it's more like a business style smartphone. As we can see here, they use a blue and the leather kind of. I think it's not leather, because it's like a leather or like a plastic. It's special material. It's very soft material. When you touch it, it's not easy to left your fingerprint on it. And also there's a a big white line, big zone here. It's not flat, and kind of sand fittings when you touch it to divide this phone into three parts, 1, 2, 3, and also this here. There's a big circle here, and left and right are two cameras, and here in the middle is a sub screen, and we can switch from clock, camera, and campers, music, a lot of functions on the back screen, the sub screen. And also this phone, it have a framed, metal framed, and also another big main features about the phone is the customized key. They provide 2 customized keys this time, and so this is about the basic design and appearance of the phone. And this time for the phone is really light. It's only 233 grams. So compared to this one, the Doogee S98 is really very light. This one is over 320 grams, but this one is only 233 grams, so it's much light than the larger phones. And also for this one is the dips the dips of the phone is just 11 mm, but this one is over 15 mm, so it's much thinner. You can find the Ticktock is much light and thinner than the Doogee S98. And also this time for this phone, they besides the size and weight, the screen is a 6.5 inch screen. The resolution is 720 and 1600 IPS screen. And for this one, the second screen is 1.28 inch screen. So both screens are IPS, and when we wake up the smartphone, we can check the quality of the screen. Actually, it's much better than I thought. The display performance is much better than I thought. Okay. Yes. And all this time for the screen, for the smartphone, they use the MediaTek P35 chips. And it's octa-core, and maximum is the CPU support up to 2.3 GHz for this phone. Yes, we can find the specification here. Okay, yes, there's some information here, but okay, no chips information here. Unihertz for the phone. No, this time for the cameras, there are two cameras here. The main one is 48 and the second one is 8 megapixel. And also for the main one is 48 and the second one is 0.3 megapixel, and for the front one is 8 megapixel. This is about the camera, and also we can show you this one. And for the camera system, actually this one, the Doogee S98, much better than the Unihertz E. It has a triple rear camera, and it supports the night vision. And for the rear cameras, is 64 megapixel main camera and 8 megapixel wide angle and 20 megapixel night vision. And also for the front one, it also have a 60 megapixel front camera as well. So this one is the flagship model, and this one is a middle or entry level dual screen smartphone. And but both of them they use the water drop screens. You can see it. And also for the processor, this one, the Doogee S98, it have a much better chips. It have a Hello G69 SoC, and it have a 8 GB RAM plus 256 GB RAM. It support UFS 2.2. And for this one, the specification is lower than the S98. It only have a 4 GB RAM and 64 GB RAM, but it have a TF card capability support up to 256. So for this one, the price is much cheaper and the specification is much lower, though the larger one. So for this one, and as also the camera its specification is also lower than the flagship one. But I think these two devices, they have focused on different end users. This one is a larger phone. It have night vision camera, and also it's much weight. It's for the big guys, and some guys they want proof. They do outdoors, and this one is more suitable for them. But this one is, I think, for kind of business style, and also is for the young, for the indoor users. If you it's not a larger phone, and for the its weight more light. It's much lighter and thin than the Doogee S98. And another thing I think I should mention is the subscreen. Both of them are have a second screen, but this one, I think the Unihertz E, they do much better on the feedbacks on the interactions of the second screen. Like here, I can swipe it from left to right, and we get camera, campers, and music. But this one, we cannot swipe from left to right to get functions. We can only swipe from the bottom to the up, and then we get the music. So it's not so good for us to so play with the second screen. And also for this one, we can get the here get the second camera here. We can use this one to take a picture. So this is really nice. We have this function, but this one only have a music and clock for us to choose. And also for this one, we can choose the interface of the second screen here. Subscreen functions. Okay, they provide a lot of themes for us to choose. And for this one, for this one, we only have very few to choose, like here, a few to choose. So actually, for the second screen, the Unihertz E, they provide much form for us to use when we use the second screen. So it's really nice, and that is the main difference, I think, on these two phones. And also for this one is the battery 6000, and it's a big battery as well, but don't have fast charger. For the Doogee S98, it also have 6000 big battery, but it support fast charger, 33 watt capable fast charger, and the 15 watt wireless fast charger. So for the charger, this one I think is stand out on the battery part. Yes. And also another thing I want to compare is here. This one, they have a remote control, frame remote control function, but this one doesn't have. And this one have a have Type C, and also this one Type C. So these are some different parts that we talked today. I think these two phones, they focus on different get it back, focus on different users. You can choose the one you like, but both of them, they have second screen and sub screen is unique and easy to recognize when you take it. So both are very cool, and this one is more it's kind of low end or entry level in the market, and the specification is so. But this one, I think, if we compare this device with other Roger phones, it's also unique in the Roger device. So normal phones, dual screen, Roger phones, dual screen. So which one do you like? Thanks for watching my video. And this is a basic and very simple comparison video about the two dual screen smartphones. Both of them, I like them. I like both of them. If you are outdoor fans, you can choose this one. If you use the backup smartphone, or you always staying indoors, you can choose this one. So thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned, waiting for more cool gadget from here. Bye bye.